your packs folder is essential. Start navigating to your packs folder. Epic Games, find Marvel Rivals. Click on these three dots, go to Manage, and then click on the folder icon next to the installation. For Steam, right click Marvel Rivals, go to Manage, and click Browse Local Files, both leading you to the same folder. Once you do this, a File Explorer window will open inside. Go to Marvel Game folder and Content, and finally Packs inside the Pack folder. Create a new folder named Mods. Make sure the tilde is still there before the mod, so make sure it looks exactly like mine. Create the folder, right click in empty space, go to the new folder, and rename the mods. This is where all your mods in the .pack format will go. Now, browse Nexus Mods to find the mod that you want. If a mod was uploaded or updated on February 25th or later, no repack is needed. For example, let's download this mod. Go to the Files tab, click Manual Download, and your downloaded mod will be in .zip or .rar format. To unzip it, you can use 7-zip, WinRAR, or built-in Windows Zip tool, which are all free alternatives. Once extracted, if the mod was uploaded on or before February 25th, simply drag the .pack file into your mods folder and that's it. When you load the game, your new mod should work. Look at that. How amazing.